Integrated column refrigerators and freezers can be mixed and matched for ultimate design freedom. Available in a range of sizes and designed to fit flush with cabinetry, columns can be paired or installed separately. Columns can be customized with a left or right hinge opening, contemporary or professional handle styles, a stainless steel or white interior finish, and stainless steel or custom door panels and toe kicks. This video is intended only as an overview to support the installation of Fisher & Paykel integrated columns. It should not be relied on in isolation. Read and refer to the installation guide for all safety warnings. To install Fisher & Paykel integrated columns safely, you'll need to read the installation guide and check that you have everything you need. Take note of all safety guidelines and warnings. Be aware of all hazards that could lead to electric shock and injury. Exercise caution. This appliance is top heavy and must be secured to prevent the possibility of tipping. Please also follow your local authorities' compliance regulations. Integrated columns must be installed by a qualified installer or a Fisher & Paykel trained and supported service technician to avoid faulty electrical connection and water leaks. Appliance failure due to improper installation is not covered under the appliance warranty. Check the cabinetry dimensions, including width, depth, height, floor level, and finish alcove returns. Refer back to the installation guide to confirm all dimensions and specifications. To unpack and move columns, you'll need a crosshead screwdriver, scissors, a box cutter, a step ladder, and a two-wheeled cart with restraining straps. Remember, column appliances are heavy and require at least 2 people to unpack and install. Be careful when unpacking to prevent damage to the surface of your appliance. First, cut the straps, remove the carton top, cut along the lines indicated using a box cutter. There is a layer of polystyrene foam protecting the appliance which should be removed along with the carton. Check that the feet of the appliance are retracted. To finish, dispose of all packaging according to your local authority recycling guidelines. Before moving columns, remove all pre-packed installation parts. This includes the door panel side extrusion and the side trim and center trim assembly kits, which are taped to the back panel of the appliance. Also remove all pre-installed parts, including the installation kit and technical content, the bottom and top fixed grille, the top trim, and the top door panel extrusion. Keep the screws, you will need them later when reinstalling the removed parts. Do not remove the central magnet housing from the appliance. For 90-degree door opening, add the hinge limiting pin before removing the appliance from the pallet. You can find the hinge limiting pins in the installation kit. At this point, we recommend that you tape the door shut. This will prevent the door from opening while the appliance is being moved. The doors should remain taped shut until the appliance is at the installation location. You should also remove the angled anti-tilt brackets from one side of the appliance. Now you're ready to move the appliance. Gently tilt columns so the cart can be slipped under from the side between the appliance and the polystyrene foam. Do not slide the cart under from the back or the front. Secure columns to the cart with straps and then tilt the appliance backward onto the cart. Remove the screws from the anti-tilt brackets, then the screws from the pallet to release it. Remove the screws from the pallet and set it aside. Finally, make sure that the floor is protected and that there is a clear path before pushing the cart to the installation location.